So let's see what is my true card. Come on, Pilta, you got it. You are a good pen, yeah, that's true. You're smart. A bit smart. We look. You got the best tie again. So what is my true card? How do you know me? How you know? You talking me, right? I haven't towel yet. You failed this one. I haven't towel yet. Okay, so your last tie. Let's see. Yeah. Caught me. Oh, this is my cotton. Go. Shut up. You are lazy. That's true. You are chill. Bro. Not true. You smell good. Yeah, true. But this is not true. So let's try again. Okay, so this is 2. Come. You a good friend? Okay. You need to take a bath. You need to take a bath again. You look good. You look good. That's a lie. Last try. Is it panay? Oh, you a lady again. You need to take a bath. I hate you, Pilter.